Hi, welcome to this channel where we help you find the best car for your life. And today, we're looking for the best family car of 2025. And if you're new here, subscribe for weekly videos that make car buying less stressful. Today we're focusing on the best options for families with small children because, let's face it, they're our future and our nightmares. So, we start with a minivan, but not just any minivan. This is the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid, and it takes home the award for the best family car of 2025. But do on hate. You know those SUVs everyone's obsessed with right now? Well, think of this as an SUV's secret identity. Let me explain. Minivans are the MVP of family road trips. Why? They offer more versatility than a Swiss Army knife and more utility than an IKEA bag full of baguettes. All the sliding doors, cup holders, and flexible configurations make them the ultimate family command center. But the Sienna Hybrid elevates things even further. First, its hybrid powertrain makes it super efficient, giving you around 35 miles per gallon. Second, it offers a surprisingly smooth and comfortable ride. Third, the spacious interior means you can bring along everything you need for a day out with the kids, whether it's strollers, sports equipment, groceries, or that questionable concoction you call homemade mac and cheese. No one will feel cramped in the Sienna. Plus, it's built with Toyota's reputation for reliability and durability, so you can trust it to get you and your loved ones where you need to go safely. And when you need to take a detour to the nearest pumpkin patch or the emergency room, you can count on the Toyota Sienna Hybrid to be up for the task. And speaking of safety, the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid comes loaded with advanced safety features designed to protect you and your passengers. From adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning to automatic emergency braking and a blind spot monitor, this car has you covered. Additionally, it's equipped with Toyota's Star Safety System, which includes traction control, stability control, and brake assist. The Sienna also comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense P, which uses a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to alert you of potential collisions and automatically apply the brakes if necessary. The Toyota Sienna Hybrid is an incredibly versatile vehicle that's perfect for busy families. With its efficiency, safety, and cargo capacity, it's a strong contender for the best overall family car of 2025. Next up is the 2025 Tesla Model Y. If you're a tech-savvy family who wants to experience the latest in automotive innovation, then look no further. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is packed with features that will wow your passengers. Take the autopilot system, for instance. It is a suite of advanced driver assistance features that can help reduce driver fatigue and enhance safety on long road trips. Imagine cruising down the highway with your family and the car handling most of the driving so you can relax and enjoy the ride. Thanks to the Model Y's advanced technology, it's possible. Plus, the Model Y offers over-the-air updates, so you'll always have access to the latest features and software improvements without ever having to visit a dealership. It's convenient and hassle-free, but that's not all. The Model Y has some unique features that are perfect for families. One of them is dog mode, which keeps the car's climate control running even when you're not in the car, so you can leave your furry family members in comfort while you run into the store. And when it comes to entertainment, the Model Y has you covered. This is the vehicle for parents who are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient car for their family without breaking the bank. Let me tell you why. First, the Honda CR-V Hybrid has outstanding fuel economy. It gets an impressive 40 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway, which is crucial for those long road trips. With the rising cost of gas, this feature alone can save you a ton of money. Second, the CR-V Hybrid has a spacious and practical interior. There's plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it perfect for a family of 5. It's a practical and affordable option for families who want a safe, reliable, and fuel-efficient car without breaking the bank. Next up is the 2025 Kia Carnival, which takes home the award for the Best Swagger Wagon 2.0. The Kia Carnival isn't your typical minivan. It has a bold and stylish exterior that looks more like an SUV than a traditional minivan. Whether you're picking up the kids from school or running errands, you'll do it in style. Inside, the Carnival offers a luxurious and comfortable experience for both passengers and driver. The available Napa leather seating with trim and panoramic sunroof create a sophisticated atmosphere. And with plenty of space for everyone to stretch their legs, you can say goodbye to the dreaded "Are we there yet?" chorus. But the real magic happens when you press the start button. The Kia Carnival's available rear seat entertainment system features dual 12.1-inch screens and a powerful sound system. Your passengers will be immersed in their favorite movies, TV shows, and games. Plus, the Carnival's wireless device charging and plenty of USB ports ensure everyone stays powered up. And let's not forget about safety. The Kia Carnival comes equipped with a suite of advanced features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping, assist, and driver attention warning. You can rest easy knowing your loved ones are protected. Overall, the 2025 Kia Carnival is a top choice for families seeking a stylish, spacious, and fun-filled ride. It's not your average minivan. It's a true swagger wagon 2.0. And finally, the 2025 Volvo EX90 takes home the award for the best family car for paranoid parents. But that's not all. The XC90 also comes with a state-of-the-art safety system called City Safety. It uses a combination of sensors and cameras to detect potential collisions and automatically apply the brakes if necessary. This feature is especially useful in urban areas where accidents are most likely to occur. And if you're worried about your kids in the back seat, the XC90 has you covered. It comes with Volvo's Care Key, which allows you to set speed and other driving limits for your younger drivers. You can also use the Volvo app to monitor your teen's driving habits, such as hard braking or acceleration, which can provide valuable feedback and help improve their driving skills. With all these features, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your family is safe and protected on the road. So if you're a paranoid parent who wants the best for their kids, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is the perfect car for you.
Wow.
Now here's the question. Which one of these cars will you choose? Is it the versatile Toyota Sienna hybrid, the tech-savvy Tesla Model Y, the budget-friendly Honda CR-V hybrid, the stylish Kia Carnival, or the safety-focused Volvo XC90? And hey, before you go, hit that like button and subscribe for more car advice. Don't miss out on our weekly videos that will make car buying less stressful. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.